Have you ever wondered what sets the smartest people apart from the rest? Many people think that intelligence is something you're born with, an innate gift that some people just possess. Indeed, some individuals make being smart look easy, but intelligence isn't a fixed trait. It's a fluid and adaptable ability to learn, grow, and stimulate your brain that can improve over time. One common thread among intelligent people is their commitment to habits that support and protect their mental well-being. Welcome to Legacy of Leaders, where we dive into timeless philosophies to help you build a stronger, more balanced, and fulfilling life. Habits shape who we are, and this is especially true when you look at successful entrepreneurs and academics who have reached the top of their fields by thinking up solutions to everyday problems. We've put together a list of 15 habits that smart people share, which can help you become smarter every day. Before we dive in, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on our daily dose of educational and inspirational videos. Let's get started. Number 1. Ask questions. The German philosopher Hans-Georg Gadamer once said, "Knowledge can only belong to those who have questions." Many people avoid asking questions for fear of looking foolish, but nothing could be further from the truth. Learning starts with curiosity, asking questions and seeking out answers. As children, our curiosity is limitless. Why is the sky blue? Why do cats meow? If there's something you don't understand, don't be afraid to ask about it or look it up on your own. Instead of defaulting to passive entertainment, use your time to explore subjects that intrigue you. This simple yet time-intensive practice can significantly increase your intelligence. Number 2. Read across different genres. The brain is a powerful organ, and reading serves as its workout. Thanks to modern technology, we have instant access to countless books through smartphones, tablets, and e-readers. However, we often spend our time mindlessly scrolling through amusing videos or social media feeds. While these activities can help us relax, they are not always the best use of our time. Regular reading can keep you informed, sharpen your thinking, and help you learn new things continually. Even reading a small portion of a chapter daily can expand your mind over time. Number 3. Hang out with people who challenge you. Friends can teach you new skills and keep your mind engaged. Our environment shapes our values, beliefs, and thought processes, and spending time with intellectuals will constantly challenge your brain. There is always something new to discuss and learn from intelligent people. You don't need friends who are necessarily smarter than you. What matters is that they are thoughtful, curious, and leaders in their own right. Being around such people encourages you to recognize your own shortcomings and work on improving them. Number 4. Take time to reflect. It's easy to be distracted and bounce from one thing to another without fully grasping the essence of the information we receive. The habit of taking pauses to reflect on what you've learned is highly beneficial and an essential part of the learning process. Reflection helps you consider all the factors that might be directly or indirectly related to what you are doing. Smart people also tend to listen more and talk less, making their words more impactful and allowing them to achieve more with fewer words. Number 5. Keep moving. Don't underestimate the importance of exercise for mental sharpness. The brain and body work together, and your overall physical health directly affects the quality of your thoughts. As you grow cognitively, remember that physical growth is also important because the two are interconnected. Physical exercise also helps build discipline, which is crucial for developing positive habits and learning new things. Make time for regular exercise, whether it's going to the gym, jogging, practicing yoga, or any form of physical activity. Number 6. Eat a balanced diet. You've likely heard that glucose is a prime fuel for the brain, but a well-balanced diet rich in essential vitamins and minerals is the best fuel for thought. The optimal diet for enhancing brain function includes adequate protein, healthy fats, and moderate carbohydrates. Foods like whole grains, lean meats, nuts, fish, and dairy should be regular staples. It's also beneficial to eat just enough to be satisfied and to avoid junk food, which can cause fatigue and potential health issues in the long run. Number 7. Keep a journal. Studies have shown that spending a few minutes each day reflecting on your experiences and thoughts can increase your brain power. There's no better way to learn and grow than by reflecting on your own achievements and challenges. Take a few minutes each evening to jot down your thoughts and experiences. This practice not only helps you analyze your ideas, but also improves your language and communication skills, thereby increasing your overall intelligence. Number 8, don't be afraid to try and fail. Smart people aren't afraid of failure. They understand that nothing can truly be learned without practice. Whether it's solving a new equation or learning to play a musical instrument, you need to try and fail to master it. Sometimes our most remarkable successes come from situations that initially intimidated us. Number 9, share your knowledge. If you don't plan to use what you learn, there's little point in studying it. Intelligent people consistently apply their knowledge and share it, not just to succeed, but because sharing enhances their value. Discussing what you learn with others who have also engaged with the material helps reinforce your understanding and learn new perspectives. Sharing knowledge, whether with friends, family, or online communities, deepens your comprehension and helps you make more informed conclusions. Number 10, be selective with your effort. Smart people tend to have fewer friends, but they compensate for this with deeper, more meaningful relationships. The people you surround yourself with reflect your identity and help guide your understanding of yourself and the world. Beyond friendships, being mindful of where you focus your attention allows you to work efficiently and avoid unnecessary distractions. Smart people often have a mental checklist and prioritize tasks, which helps them stay organized and focused. Number 11, take short breaks. In our digital age, constant information bombardment can lead to mental burnout. Taking short breaks, even during work, can help maintain creativity and prevent cognitive exhaustion. Use this time to take a short walk, meditate, exercise, or engage in simple chores. These pauses allow your brain to rest and recharge. Number 12, keep things tidy. People who keep things in order tend to think more clearly. Disorganized environments, frequent notifications, and clutter can all distract the mind and lower productivity. By keeping your living and working spaces tidy, your mind will function more efficiently. Develop the habit of putting things in their place immediately and organizing your digital files into themed folders. Number 13, observe others' behavior. Smart people are mindful of others around them. They consider their colleagues' motivations, viewpoints, and needs, which helps them make better decisions and build stronger relationships. Understanding people's behavior takes effort, but pays off in improved social skills and decision-making. Number 14, be mindfully observant. Though we see everything around us, we don't always pay attention to it. Instead of focusing only on what directly affects you, take a few minutes each day to critically observe the world around you. You'll be surprised at what you learn by being more aware of your surroundings. Number 15, get enough sleep. Research shows that more rest helps improve memory, focus, and overall brain function. Lack of sleep can affect your attention levels and cognitive abilities. Everyone has different sleep needs, but the goal should be to rest when your body requires it. Proper sleep also helps clear toxins from the brain that are linked to Alzheimer's disease. Hey, since you've stuck around this long, don't turn it off. We've got a bonus habit for you. Number 16, play mind-challenging games. Playing games that engage your mind, such as puzzles or strategy games, can help keep your brain sharp and nimble. Studies have found that people who play such games perform better cognitively than those who don't. Mind-challenging games, like Sudoku or chess, are suitable for all ages and can be a fun way to keep your mind engaged. That's all for today. Share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to like, subscribe so you never miss an update. Stay strong, stay stoic.